Hey guys! When you think of a geologist, do you think of this usually? Or do you sometimes think about this? Well, both of those things may be true, but I'm a geologist, and today I'll be talking to you guys about mineralogy, which is a study of minerals in igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks. Today I'll be teaching you guys some key terms, and then we're going to head to Greenland, collect our own sample, come back to the lab, and analyze it together. How does that sound? A mineral is considered a naturally occurring inorganic solid such as quartz, olivine, and plagioclase. A thin section is a thin slice of rock on a slide used by geologists to understand the mineralogy of a rock. After placing your thin section under your microscopic lens, you can switch between two settings, plane polarized light and cross polarized light. Both settings let you see the mineral in two different lights, allowing you to distinguish which minerals are visible. Cleavages are fractures that occur in minerals along planes of weakness. They are much more apparent in weaker minerals than stronger minerals, allowing us to distinguish between the two. Birefringence is the double refraction of light in a transparent, molecularly ordered material. Birefringence allows us to classify the order of a mineral, so first, second, third, etc. It's time we pack our bags, grab our pickaxes and our coats, and hop on our flight to Greenland. Who's excited? Wow, guys, it's really chilly. Everyone make sure you're bundled up nice and cozy. All right, has everyone got their pickaxes? Come on, guys, circle up. All right, get your pickaxes out. Let's go find some rocks to bring back to the lab, where it'll be nice and warm and we can analyze these rocks properly. All right, guys, now that we've collected our sample from Greenland, we're going to analyze it under a microscope. So we're first going to start off with PPL. As we can see in PPL, there's an isotropic mineral in the bottom center of the thin section. We can also see that there are two other types of minerals. There's one that's very easy to distinguish due to the outline and the cleavages themselves within. And surrounding that, on the outside of the thin section, we can see that there's another mineral that is less easy to identify due to the cleavages being slightly smaller. Now, when we move into XPL, we can see that there are three different minerals. In the bottom, it's an isotropic mineral, as it was black in PPL and it's still black in XPL. We also have olivine and plagioclase. Olivine is very easy to identify as there are multiple cleavage cracks that are fragmented across it. It also comes in multiple birefringence colors. So here we can see it's in yellow, it's in blue, and it's in teal. The other mineral that's present is plagioclase, which you can see due to the polysynthetic twinning, or zebra stripes like I like to call it. So the big question is, why do we care about mineralogy? Well, mineralogy provides us the clues and the answers to past events in Earth's history. It's also an incredibly awesome subject and super interesting. Till next time, guys.